Hey everybody, Phil Talon here, joining you for our last lecture on film and visual art for our class. It's been a good one, and we're going to talk about cultural apologetics in conversation with film, and a little bit about Steven Spielberg. So it should be a good time. Apologetics is, of course, a reactive discipline. Apologists respond to the questions, doubts, challenges, and longings of the world around them. The goal of apologists is to help people see the truth, beauty, and goodness of the Christian faith in light of these issues. Cultural apologetics is concerned with establishing the Christian voice in the wider world of culture. We aim to listen well and respond to the culture in order to help people see and feel the Christian truth. Now, cultural apologetics can take many forms. It can be critical, evaluating and testing, it can be constructive, offering new avenues of understanding. It can be creative, generating works that inspire and enlighten. And it can be all three at once. The world of the arts is a powerful force within the life of a culture. The arts amuse, educate, challenge, and direct. Christian art served this central role in the wider culture for over 1,000 years. Now, Christian art is less central to the life of the culture. And so, to understand our culture, we must often direct our attention to art that's born outside the church. Now, Hollywood storytelling is the most dominant form of narrative art on the planet, and so it's a rich source for cultural understanding. These are the stories we tell ourselves. They reflect who we are and shape who we want to be. The stories react to cultural trends, but also shape them. So, understanding Hollywood film will take a step closer to understanding the questions, doubts, challenges, and longings of our culture. So, in order to understand the world of Hollywood storytelling, we must first listen well. Films are complex works. They display a series of connected intersections, image and word, authorship and collaboration, tradition and originality, business and art. To read a film, we must attend to the creators, the traditions, and the forms they're using, but also to the big ideas they're conveying in the moment in which they're made. Even the best artworks, like all human products, are made by flawed and finite people, and so are never perfect. They're neither wholly good nor wholly bad. Much of the danger of approaching works of art is to adopt a single stance. Some films warrant caution or avoidance, others invite fruitful dialogue that includes censure as well as praise. Some films help us see truths more clearly, even if they are flawed in some way. And some films can help us to draw closer to God. The important thing is to discern which stance is warranted when watching and discussing a movie. Now, one of the most significant Hollywood storytellers is Steven Spielberg. His movies have grossed more than any other filmmaker in history. He has a wide range of movies. He started directing as a young man, and his most successful movies include Jaws, E.T., Raiders of the Lost Ark, Jurassic Park, and Saving Private Ryan. Spielberg has some common themes in his films. He often revisits World War II. He's interested in aliens. He often portrays flawed and damaged families. And his main characters are often children, or at least are kids at heart. Spielberg has no doubt been popular because of his dynamic storytelling style, but also because he offers encounters with strange experiences that provoke a sense of wonder. An optimist at heart, Spielberg's movies have served as the warm center of Hollywood storytelling. In a fractured and damaged world, he offers hopeful stories about heroism and discovery. Now, since film is the most dominant form of modern storytelling, there's a real opportunity in using it as a window to the culture, but also as a gathering point for meaningful conversations. Christian apologists should welcome this opportunity as a way to establish the Christian voice in the culture. Through our writing, conversations, and even through creating, we can help orient others to the truth, beauty, and goodness of the Christian faith.